motorcycles are right here. I don't know what this game is doing. She rigged it.
I've been in 4 times.
That's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Hello. And we're back with an annual vlog for Kennedy's birthday. She's knocked out in the back. She opened up a present and it's been keeping her busy in the back, so it's been really nice. Happy birthday. Can you open up your present? Look what's inside.
Kennedy has a present.
What's in there?
Elsa.
Yeah. Who else? Who else? Who's that?
I got Anna.
Anna! It's like Play-Doh.
Mom,
Yeah?
you have Anna. I want more.
You want more? Girl, when we get back home, okay? We gotta go to the water park first, okay?
Okay.
Do you want me to open one up?
Yeah.
Okay, which one first?
Anna.
Anna? Okay, let me open up Anna. But last year we went to Kalahari. This year we're headed to Camelback. And we're excited to go because we've never been there before. And we have Jonathan's mom and his sister meeting us. So it'll be really nice. Her birthday always falls on Super Bowl. So it's also Super Bowl day today.
Super Bowl Sunday.
Yeah.
So back in the car.
Yeah.
As usual. I missed y'all.
Oh. Yeah, so we are 13 minutes away and it's almost 4 o'clock. We're gonna get there before check-in, but we hopefully we get into our room and we can change and head to the indoor water park. They do have outside snow activities, I guess, winter activities, but
Definitely snowed yesterday.
we're not doing that. Yeah, it was like 5 inches last night. We woke up to like 4 or 5 inches, which took us so long to get out of the house. It was crazy. Also packing, no matter if I'm going to Mexico or down the block, I feel like it's the same packing for the family, which it's only gonna get even crazier very soon. But yeah, we're on our way. Little birthday girl is turning 3. She's again knocked out. And I think we're gonna have a really good time. So cute. Ken, what is today? It's your birthday. It's a video. Say it's my birthday.
That's my birthday. It's my birthday.
So this is our room. Kennedy has already blessed the bed with some of her Barbies. And it's so clean, so nice. We have a nice view of people on the slopes and a balcony. So it's so, I was not expecting this. It's so different than like a Kalahari. And I know I keep on going back and forth on like comparing it or whatever, just because this is only our 2nd time ever doing something like this. But it's so cool seeing people on the slopes. Like, I don't know if I'll ever do that. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll try to do it one time. But, yeah, so this is our room. I feel like it's a quick tour. But it's super clean. Doesn't smell like water park. It doesn't smell like dogs, because you could bring your dog too. This is the bathroom. Super clean. This is where you hang your coats. We have a fridge. I like the balcony. I think that's like the coolest part about this. Kennedy was excited. She ran through the room as soon as she got here. So right now we're going to slip into our bathing suits, get into the water park because it's, oh look, stay.
It's a water park.
Ken, that's where we're going. We're gonna go there. Do you wanna go?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's put your bathing suit on, okay?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna get ready. We're all dressed for the pool. Such a simple bathing suit and cover up. I literally wear this. Oh my God, and look.
Mom.
Kenny, look who it is. You're so cute. Her bathing suit has ice cream cones on it for her birthday.
Yes.
It's cute. It's from the Gap. So cute with like ruffles. All right, we're just waiting on Jonathan, his mom, and his sister. for them to change. They just ran to the car to park and stuff like that. And yeah, we're gonna hit the road.
Wish Kennedy a happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kennedy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yay! Yay! Thank you. Yeah.
Yummy.
Good morning. We're getting ready right now. By far, one of my favorite bathing suits is a long sleeve right now. Jonathan's putting on Kennedy's shoes. We're trying to leave, but it's really hard because I'm so tired and in slow motion. And Kennedy is my biggest helper. We're gonna go get breakfast. Yesterday was really nice. We went to dinner at an Italian spot that was actually really good. Bertoli's, honey?
Something like that. Bertoli's,
Borelli's? Something like that. You have to wear a coat. To be off campus or off the resort. It's like a block away. But it was really good. So I don't know what we're gonna do tonight for dinner or lunch, but we need to eat right now. And we're hoping to do the arcade again. Kenny's having the time of her life. There's one slide that she's like, we're gonna keep going down this slide. But maybe in the end, me and Jay on our way back, we'll give you a recap of our thoughts.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I think the coolest part is that our view is of the people skiing though. Like going down the slope. It's really cool. Again, I'll never do it, but it's really cool. We're gonna get ready to go. I actually have to send an email and then we're gonna hit the food, hit the restaurants. Oh my gosh. So I've been the worst. Yes.
Mom, not me.
What happened? No, I don't want any. Daddy wants pizza, not me.
Daddy's full. Daddy needs to lay down and watch Night Angel.
Not some chips.
You want chips? Yeah. You want to open it or you want me to open it? Okay. So me and Jonathan, this is our last night. Tomorrow we leave. It's been the worst people to record this trip. But it's been good.
Yeah, it's a
So
good,
cool.
it's a good spot.
I definitely would say Camelback is more for like outdoor snow activities than the water park. You know, like if you come here for the water, just for the water park, I would go to Kalahari. But if you're here for like snow activities or outdoor, I don't know what else they do outdoor, but to come here for that. But we were just talking how like this is our last few months of like Kennedy just being an only child. Like she'll never experience having her own vacation or whatever, you know? Right, Ken?
Yeah.
Yeah?
She's like, what's that? You don't have a little brother?
You want a brother?
You have a brother in mommy's tummy?
I do want one.
It's your little brother.
She's gonna be the best big sis, but it's just wild that like this error of me thinking that this is, you know, difficult. But having two and being like, that was nothing. One was nothing.
No.
Right? I gotta do with two personalities? Two people bossing me around? Yeah?
Kennedy, your birthday's tomorrow.
Yeah, it's so dark. So dark again.
Yeah, it's dark outside right now.
Yeah.
Ken, how old are you right now? How old is that?
2.
You are 2.
How old are you gonna be tomorrow?
2.
No, tomorrow on your birthday. How old are you gonna be?
3.
You're gonna be 3!
So when you wake up in the morning, Kennedy's gonna be 3.
But are you gonna be 2 forever?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's all that matters. What are you doing? Are you dancing?
Up. Yeah.
Counting down the hours now till we have a 3-year-old who will always be my little baby. Jonathan was holding her tonight. I'm like, I don't know how much longer you'll be able to hold her like this.
Yeah, she's getting heavy.
And she's getting long.
That too.
Like for me, I remember it was like, she's so little. Now she's half my body.
All right, Kennedy, you ready?
All of this stuff on the
Put your shoe
heater.
back on. Want to go back out?
It's soaking wet.
Put your shoes back on your socks.
But Kennedy enjoyed one slide. The entire, oh, we did the lazy river.
Pass Daddy.
That was cute. It was just cold. Like I wasn't in the video complaining, but it was cold. Maybe I'm just pregnant. We're gonna hit the arcade. Oh, and real quick. So the restaurant that we just came back from was called Berkeley Creek.
Barley Creek.
Barley Creek. It was like a, not a diner, but it's not a diner.
But it was a diner.
A diner because they have like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but they don't serve it all day.
Yeah, not like New York.
Yeah, which I didn't know that was a thing, that like there's a diner, but you have to go still during the time of when things are being served. Whatever. But it was good. The nachos were really good. I had fish tacos, which... Okay. Jonathan had cauliflower wings and a salmon salad or something like that. Kennedy had pizza, she just tore up.
Please.
With my chips, and yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
Oh, this is funny.
Wait, I don't even see.
Where'd you go? Oh!
Oh!
Gotta see where you go. Which way?
Ken, how did you know that? Oh!
Wow.
Oh, dead end, Ken. Dead end. Go ahead, Dad.
Wow. Which way do we go?
Wait, I don't think it's this way. Mine is this way.
I see it. Now, the pink one, right? It's a lot of points, a lot of tickets. We don't have that much tickets. We gotta go win more games. Let's go win more tickets.
Kennedy's dead serious about after we play this game, she wants that prize. Daddy! Good job, Ken. Go. Kennedy's is coming. Okay, Dad. Yay! You hit him so hard. Go ahead, Ken. Woohoo! So Jonathan came over here to practice because I am whooping his butt in this Connect 4 again. Jay! You need practice, right? You just need practice?
Listen, I don't know what this game is doing. It's rigged. She rigged it.
I've been it 4 times. How old are you, Kennedy? She threw up to 2. I saw it. Yay! It's Peanut's birthday! It's Peanut's birthday. It is so... Look how pretty the view is. We're leaving Camelback right now. Those are the slopes up there. So our view was literally of that one right there. And it was so nice. The room was really nice, I will say. But we're about to head home. 2-hour drive. Gonna get breakfast. Kennedy's gonna have a dinner or birthday cake. We gotta figure that out tonight. And off we go. Well, what's today? February what? Yes, it is.